Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV so you don't miss any college sports action. Turn on your smart TV, phone, or streaming device and open the YouTube TV app. Make sure you're signed in with your subscription account. SEC Network Plus is included in certain YouTube TV packages. Go to Settings, Membership, and Add-ons to confirm you have access. If not, you may need to add it to your plan. On the YouTube TV home screen, use the search bar and type SEC Network Plus. The channel should appear in the search results. Select the channel from the search results or from your live channels list. You can watch live games, shows, or browse the on-demand library. Make sure your YouTube TV app is updated. Confirm your subscription plan includes SEC Network Plus. Check your internet connection if streaming is slow or the channel doesn't appear. And that's it. Now you know how to watch SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.